Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to archive order on Amazon. So archiving an order hides it from your default order history, perfect for keeping gifts or private purchases discreet. Step 1, you need to go to Amazon and then log into your account. Now what you're going to do here is you have to go to the top and tap on orders. But anyways, if you want to see your archive orders, don't worry, you can go to your orders right here and then scroll down, look for archive orders. So to archive an order, what you're going to do is you have to locate the order you want to archive, scroll down or scroll through your list or use the search bar to find it. Now click order details. Under the item, click the order details button. Scroll to the bottom and click the archive order button. Now confirm archiving, a pop-up will appear. You have to click archive order again to confirm. So again, if you want to view archive orders, you just have to hover over to accounts and list, click your account, and then scroll down to ordering and shopping preferences. Here you will see the archive orders to see all the hidden purchases. Take note, you can archive up to 500 orders. Archiving doesn't delete or cancel an order, it simply hides it from your main order history. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.